Welcome to Solo-Ensemble.com, a web-based system for managing judged fine arts events. This tutorial video will review the features of the school main menu. Other tutorial videos cover more specific topics, such as entering student performance data. We begin at the Solo-Ensemble.com webpage, where we access the contest area by selecting the contest login menu item at the upper right. All users of Solo-Ensemble.com access their account by logging in from this contest start page. Click the Go button to log in with your email and password. Details of creating member and school accounts and making changes to these accounts are detailed in other tutorial videos. Today we will log in as one of our fictitious users named Roger McPirate. Roger belongs to the Guberville Test School, which has been invited to several contests, as you will see on Roger's dashboard page. Let's zoom in closer on Roger's dashboard. The many contests with the school icon indicate that Guberville Test School belongs to each of these events. Most of these icons are gray in color and cannot be selected because those contests have ended or have yet to be opened for business. Roger will enter the Wilsonville contest as a school staff member by clicking the school icon on that contest's row. Roger arrives at the school main menu, and the first thing you will notice is that there are 3 blue panels with a tiny triangle symbol in each one. This indicates that these panels open up when clicked to reveal menu items. This was done deliberately because when viewing this page on a tablet or mobile phone where screen real estate is important, these panels can be kept closed until needed. Clicking on the school account panel shows its very short menu list. The first row involves the invoice between the school and the contest, when applicable. Contest staff set pricing levels per school, performer, or event. Contests within the same school or district may not worry about these costs. Let's briefly look at these items. The View Invoice item opens a PDF file showing the current invoice values. The invoice shows costs for each category. In this case, there were only costs for solo and for ensemble performances. There is an invoice number and a Bill To area, which you can adjust. Clicking on the Update Payer Info link takes you to this screen, where you can change the contact person at your school responsible for paying the invoice. The View Files menu takes you to a page where Roger can download or open files that have been posted by the contest staff. Note the number in a gray circle indicating how many files are available on this list. Currently only PDF, text, and image files are allowed file types for uploading and downloading. The final menu item on this panel lets the school staff view messages that have been posted by the contest staff. The number in gray indicates the total number of messages on the list, and the number in red indicates how many are currently listed as unread. Let's look at this page now. When enough school staff have seen each message, clicking on the icon in the first column will toggle the message between a status of read and unread. This will update the number in the red circle on the main menu. Let's close the school account panel and open the performance entries panel. You may have any number of these panels open at once. This panel is where you will spend most of your time before a contest, entering your student performers. This contest only permits solo and ensemble entries. The solo and group panel entries are disabled. A different tutorial video walks through the process of entering student performance data in greater detail. Today we will just peek in on those pages. Let's start with solo performances. This screen lists all current solo performances from Roger's school in this contest. As all school staff accounts have equal status, any entries created by any other school staff members also show up here. Adding performances is accomplished by clicking on the rightmost 2 icons on the toolbar. This page shows the current ensemble performances. You can edit any performance by clicking on its ID number on the left side of each row. You can add new performances using the same 2 icons we saw on the solo performance list. We will skip over the panel judging items, as they are similar to the solo and ensemble items we saw earlier. The Create and Manage Links menu item is important if you want to upload any performance videos or source material, such as sheet music or a theatrical script. It has many elements, so let's look at that now. These colorful items across the top are actually tabs. Clicking each one brings up a different area of this web page. We start on the Video Links tab. This shows any video performances that have been recorded and uploaded to a file-sharing site. In Solo-Ensemble.com, you do not upload the videos themselves. Instead, you copy a public link to the video and put that link into this list. Similarly, the Source Material Links tab displays links to files or folders that contain material a judge should use to evaluate a performance. This is especially useful for virtual contests where the student performances have been recorded, but also can be used for live in-person events. The next 4 tabs are used to visualize how the video and source material links have been associated with specific performances. The solo assignments are shown here, and we will show the ensemble assignments in a moment. The actual association between the links and a performance takes place when creating or editing the performance itself. These tabs simply illustrate those relationships in a table form, which makes it easy to see which performances may need to be updated. Video links are intended to represent one student or group performance, so it does not make sense to associate them with more than one. Source material links, on the other hand, can be reused among multiple performances in a contest, for example, a sheet music file that many students may be performing to. Returning to the main menu, the final menu item on the Performance Entries panel is Contest Schedule Sessions. These are blocks of time to which the contest staff have assigned judges, accompanists, and schools, as well as performance types. These sessions only make sense for live events. School staff can review these sessions to determine when and where their students should report. However, these sessions do not schedule individual performances. This allows a school to have some flexibility in the order of performances. Roger now returns to the main menu, closes the Performance Entries panel, and opens the Results panel. This is the panel you will keep open during a live event to check in on your students as the contest progresses. You will be able to view and download the comment sheets from every performance from this menu area. The top row has links to view the current count of medals, ribbons, and a quick count of how many performances have been judged. We'll briefly look at those now. This shows the medal summary page for solos and ensembles. Here is the ribbon summary page, also for solos and ensembles. This is the page where school staff can see how many solo and ensemble performances have been judged and how many are left to perform. These award counts do not include the solo panel and group panel performance types, because those are computed based on combining scores from multiple judges. Until such judging is complete, the award counts are not likely to be accurate. Let's look at the solo results table now. This table lists all of the judged solo performances for your school in this contest event. You can see the performer name, rating, difficulty level, judge time, and the judge name. The blue icons in the second column open a PDF comment sheet for that performance. You can also download all of the comment sheets as a single document from an icon on the toolbar. Another icon lets you download these results as a CSV file. Clicking on the second icon on the toolbar lets us jump directly to viewing the ensemble results without having to go back to the main menu. Again, you can see lots of information about the judge performance from this page and can download results as CSV or PDF files. Roger returns to his main menu and can then access any of the functions we have reviewed. This concludes our video tutorial introducing the school staff user interface. The best way to learn more about this is just to practice entering data. If you are running your own event, you can add yourself as a contest staff member or a judge to explore the other user interface experiences in Solo-Ensemble.com.